Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can install Waka TV app on your smart TV. So first of all, you have to check the compatibility. Waka TV app is compatible for smart TVs, for smartphones and Fire Sticks TV like Amazon Fire TV. Now how you can download and install it in your smart TV? For that, just simply you have to download and install the Waka TV app in your smartphone. But in order to download it, you have to follow all these steps. First of all, access the app store of your TV and just search for downloader. You have to install this downloader app in your smart TV. When you install this downloader app, open downloader app and there will be a search option. In search, you have to write this link or just simply type code 407016 and click on go. When you click on it, the APK file of a Waka TV will be installed, will be downloaded. After downloading, just simply click on install and install this app. Once the app installed, you can enjoy it. Thank you for watching.